The three basic orders of Greek architecture were the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders. The Ionic column was the most delicate type. It had a complex base, with its most characteristic feature being the scrolled capital. The advanced civilization and flourishing culture of ancient Hellas, or Greece, are also demonstrated by their architecture, among other things. Columns were brought to perfection by ancient Greek architecture, setting a structural and aesthetic example for later styles that used Hellenic elements. Greek columns are composed of three elements. At the bottom part, the base transfers the load to the larger surface of the stylobate. The central part, which is vertically or spirally fluted and gradually narrows, is called the shaft. The topmost part, which provides support for the load thrusting down upon it and thus broadening the area of the column's supporting surface, is called the capital. The capital can be further divided into the necking, the echinus, and the abacus. The three basic orders of Greek architecture were the Doric, Ionic, and Corinthian orders. The Doric column was the most strictly constructed and the least ornate of the column types. It had no base. The shaft was deeply fluted and narrower toward the capital, which was closed by a square abacus. The Ionic column was the most delicate type. It had a complex base, with its most characteristic feature being the scrolled capital. The Corinthian column developed after the Ionic type. Its capital was richly decorated, usually with acanthus leaves carved around it.
Wow, wasn't that an incredible journey into the world of ancient Greek architecture? These columns may just be stone and design, but they carry the stories of a civilization that shaped our world. And here at 3D Learning Lab, we're passionate about bringing history to life in ways that inspire, educate, and excite. If you enjoyed learning with us today, we'd love your support. A simple like, share, or comment goes a long way in helping us reach more learners around the world. And don't forget to subscribe. It's your way of joining our growing community of curious minds. But wait, there's more. Head over to our community tab where we've got quizzes waiting for you to test your knowledge. See how much you've learned and challenge your friends too. Let's keep the conversation going and make learning a shared adventure. Your engagement keeps us creating. Together, we can make education accessible, fun, and impactful for everyone. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming big.